The information that APS workers need to know about what is civil and criminal activity is, it just simply comes down to education. It requires a study of the statute. If APS workers understand how law enforcement officers think and how the judicial process and the criminal side is going to have to follow a certain process, and there are certain absolutes with the admission of evidence, the availability of evidence, availability of witnesses, that's going to help them more appropriately decide which road they go down. And it can be a floating target sometimes. There's usually an intermingling of criminal issues mixed in with the civil. And so trying to work through that minutia can be quite complicated. The one piece of advice that I could say is that if it's criminal in nature, you've got to get your law enforcement agency on board. If it's civil in nature, this is where you have to have a good working relationship with your family courts, your probate courts, and your legal staff at your agency to give you that clear direction, because it would be nice to say that there is a definitive line, but there's so much intermingling, it's extremely difficult.